Hello and welcome to exercise 46, split. This exercise does require an auxiliary model which is called trim split, and it is the same auxiliary model that we use for exercise 45. So let's go ahead and get started by splitting a curve. So let's start off by going to our top viewport and making that full screen. And then let's focus in on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now go ahead and select the closed curve and go ahead and type split into your command bar. And now the command bar is asking, select cutting objects. Select the intersecting lines and press enter when you're done. Notice now that the curve is separated into 4 curves as opposed to 1, precisely where the lines intersected. Okay, now let's practice splitting a surface. So let's start off by selecting the sphere, and then go ahead and type in the command split in your command bar. And for the cutting objects, we're going to select the red undulating surface, and then press enter when done. Notice the sphere is now separated into 2 pieces, precisely where the surface intersects it. And that concludes exercise 46.